Deer Creek does have a dress code, which is really a guideline for students. The dress code does not change with fashion styles, so students need to adapt to the school expectations when expressing their own personal style. Students who are dress coded are not in trouble, but are expected to comply with the guidelines in order to go to class, so they may need to request a guardian bring something that is appropriate for school. The guidelines apply to all students, and we do our best to be consistent and are not searching the school for violations, but we do address them when they are observed. The information was shared with students in their online orientation, multiple all-school announcements have been made, and students were given in-person reminders the first 2 weeks of school. The guidelines have not changed since the current 8th graders started in Deer Creek in 6th grade, so they should be familiar with the dress code. Being dress coded can cause an inconvenience for the adults who have to bring a new garment. So best practice is to read the dress code guidelines very carefully and make sure your student leaves the door prepared for school. You can find them here and also on the Deer Creek website.